Are you ready for the final season of Suits on Netflix? The long wait is over, but one key character won't be making a return. Let's dive into the details of this exciting announcement and see what fans are saying. Netflix has finally set a premiere date for the much-anticipated Season 9 of Suits. Mark your calendars for July 1st, but don't expect to see Meghan Markle reprise her role as Rachel Zane. What's the reason behind her absence? Stay tuned! Welcome back to Celebxplore Hub. Today, we have some thrilling news for Suits fans. During the ATX TV Festival in Austin, Texas, Netflix announced that the final season of Suits will hit the streaming platform on July 1st. However, Meghan Markle, who played Rachel Zane, will not be returning. When the first 8 seasons dropped on Netflix in the summer of 2023, Suits gained a whole new generation of fans, with Season 1 spending an impressive 4 weeks in Netflix's top 10. The final season promises more drama with a stellar cast including Gabriel Macht, Rick Hoffman, Sarah Rafferty, Amanda Schull, Dule Hill, Katherine Heigl, and Patrick J. Adams. The storyline picks up as the team fights to save their firm's tarnished reputation. Patrick J. Adams makes a special guest appearance, but Meghan Markle's character, Rachel Zane, won't return. Meghan made her final appearance in the Season 7 finale, departing after her engagement to Prince Harry. Despite Meghan's absence, fans are ecstatic about the new season. Social media is buzzing with excitement. One fan tweeted, "No way! I thought it was over. Can't wait." Another shared, "OMG, OMG, OMG. I got addicted to this show so easily." Clearly, the anticipation is high. However, not everyone is thrilled. Some fans believe the series had a perfect ending with Season 8. One fan noted, "OMG. It's ended perfectly, no," expressing mixed feelings about the new episodes. During the panel, Patrick J. Adams shared insights about the casting process. He revealed how he almost gave up on acting before landing the role of Mike Ross. His audition piece was a scene with Gabriel Macht's character, Harvey Specter, where Mike is at rock bottom, resonating deeply with his personal experiences. Though there's no active plan for a reunion, Patrick mentioned that the creator, Aaron Korsh, is interested in the possibility of a Suits film. Meanwhile, a spin-off titled Suits, LA is in production, featuring Stephen Amell as Ted Black, a hotshot lawyer in Los Angeles. Meghan Markle won't be involved in the spin-off, although she had expressed interest in production roles. That's a wrap for today's video. Are you excited for the final season of Suits? How do you feel about Meghan Markle's absence? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching Celebxplore Hub.